We'll now move on to the next problem in AS12. Supriya Limited received a grant of 2,500 lakhs during the accounting year X1, X2 from the government for the welfare activities to be carried on by the company for its employees. So this is a revenue grant. The grant prescribed conditions for its utilization. However, during X2, X3, it was found that the conditions of grants were not complied with and the grant had to be refunded to the government in full. Elucidate the current accounting treatment with reference to the provisions of AS12. So this is a revenue grant and the conditions of grant were not fulfilled and finally the grant had to be refunded to the government. What is the accounting treatment? Now, since this is a grant which is revenue in nature, and when it gets refunded, number one, it becomes an extraordinary item in lines with AS5. And then as per AS12, we need to apply the grant to any unamortized deferred credit remaining and surplus, if any, should be debited to the P&L account. Looks complicated, but very simple. We have done the same thing in the last problem also. What was that? Remember the last problem? 16 lakhs was the amount of the grant, right? Which was earlier credited to the deferred credit account, deferred grant account, 16 lakhs. Then 2 years we transferred 4 lakhs, 8 lakhs to the P&L account. And balance 8 lakhs was still remaining in the deferred credit account. Now what we did, when the grant became refundable, we passed the entry deferred credit account 8 lakhs, P&L 8 lakhs to bank 16 lakhs, same thing. So you need to first apply, right, when you refund, so you need to reverse anything which is there in the deferred credit account, and to the extent of the amount already credited to the P&L account, we need to debit that, and finally bank account will be credited. Same logic. Look at this. As per AS12, accounting for government grants sometimes becomes refundable because certain conditions are not fulfilled. A government grant that becomes refundable is treated as an extraordinary item as per AS5. The amount refundable in respect of the government grant, which is related to revenue, is applied first against any unamortized deferred credit remaining in respect of the grant. In the last problem, it was 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs was left in the deferred credit account, deferred grant credit account. So we are applying to, so we are debiting that first. To the extent that the amount refundable exceeds any such deferred credit, amount refundable was 16 lakhs in the last problem, in the earlier problem. But the amount in the deferred grant credit was only 8 lakhs. So the balance 8 lakhs was taken to the P&L account. Same thing. Now they say to the extent that the amount refundable exceeds any such deferred credit or where no deferred credit exists, the amount is charged immediately to P&L account. Now coming to this case, we have actually got a grant of 2,500 lakhs which gets refundable. So in the present case, the amount of the refund of the government grant should also be shown in the P&L account of the company as an extraordinary item during the year. That's all. Pretty straightforward. So this problem and the earlier problem are related. Okay, this is just a theoretical explanation, but you have the numerical explanation in the earlier problem. Just the application there. All right, it's a very simple problem, but make a note of the language of the standard. Right? Thank you.